Oh, God, all you got to do is put your bleeding foot down, you idiot. Oh my God, if brains were made out of chocolate, you wouldn't have enough for a Smartie, would it? Oh, an XK140, is it? That is lovely. Well, I can get a proper good video of it. Okay, Garmin. Oh, for God's sake, he's in the wrong flipping lane and all. OMG. Okay, Garmin, save video.
If there's not a way to say it, oh love of mine, we've had our time. There's not a song about it. Breezing around, nothing describes. There's not a way to say it. All will be fine. We've had our time.
Ooh, lovely. Oh, not that one. Okay, Garmin, save video.
And we say, why don't you go and, you know, go to iPlayer and watch the piano riff. Download.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. I think it's calling it's jumping. What? Absolutely not. Oh, Vito Jack. No. Okay, Garmin. Nice. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Nice scan you there. Very nice. Okay, Garmin.
I'm Clarity, very pleased and telling everybody about it.
Didn't miss me by much then, did he? Okay, Garmin. Sure that's going to be double solid white you're going over. Yeah. Okay, Garmin. Save video. What's this then? I think it's a Lotus. Nice Lotus. Very nice. Very, very nice.